Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your home feed history on Pinterest. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Pinterest, and then what you need to do is you want to make sure that you sign into your account, and then you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and you want to go to your settings. So once you're on your profile, what you want to do is you want to hit those three horizontal dots at the top right hand corner and then click on settings, and there you'll see an option there that says refine your recommendations. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have these two things in my history. So as you can see, this is my history from 3 years ago. You'll be able to hide pins you've saved or viewed close up. So from this page, you can hide the pins or get rid of them from your history. And that's the process of deleting your home feed history from Pinterest. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.